The STEAMworks Technology Department allows students to explore science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. With a variety of tools, hardware, and software, students can work on programming, 3D modeling, music production, short film, photography, graphic design, engineering, and more. Some of our tools include our laser cutter, 3D printer, and CNC machines. Through discovery-based learning, students excel with creativity, innovation, and ingenuity. When students take a STEAMworks elective, it gives them the chance to try new things, broaden their skill set, and bolster their strengths.
I never thought I would be able to code because of my dyslexia. I started my programming journey with game development. It was a very visual way to learn coding because I could see the changes that I made. Using code, I can now make things come alive. I can have computers talk to each other from miles apart, and I can manipulate data in a powerful way. Technology is a big field, and Landmark's tech program caters to all students' interests, whether it be software or hardware. I fell in love with coding, and now I want to go to college for computer science, which is something that would have never been possible without Landmark.